Do you ever wake up in the morning feeling like the night took away your vitality instead of giving it back? Your legs feel heavy, your joints hurt, and your memory appears fuzzy, as if your body worked against you instead of mending. It's really annoying, isn't it? And you're not the only one. A lot of seniors feel the same way. But here's the good news. This isn't always just a normal aspect of getting older. You can do something easy tonight that will change everything. I know a lot of older people who attempt all kinds of things to get rid of it, such special pillows, herbal teas, and even extra vitamins. But the startling truth is that most people only care about magnesium. Magnesium can help you relax and sleep, but it doesn't build anything. Imagine having a construction crew ready to go, but they don't have any bricks, cement, or tools. The staff is there, but they don't fix anything. Taking the appropriate vitamins at night is what your body really needs to gently repair your muscles, give you more energy, and even improve your memory while you sleep. And after only a few nights, you might start to feel stronger, clearer, and more awake each morning. In a minute, I'll tell you which vitamins can make your mornings better. But first, a quick hello to everyone who is new here. This channel is intended particularly for seniors over 60 who want to grow stronger, sleep better, and be more independent. Every week, we provide you natural ways to enhance your digestion, protect your heart, strengthen your bones, and boost your energy. If you subscribe, you'll never miss out on tips that can make life after 60 healthier and more fun. Think of it as becoming a part of a group of older people who are learning how to live longer, stronger, and with more confidence. Click the subscribe button now if you want to feel stronger, clearer, and more energized in your 60s and beyond. You won't want to miss the powerful tips that are coming up next. Stay with me. The next 5 minutes could dramatically transform how you think about what you eat before bed. Why do people lose muscle beyond age 60? A lot of us don't recognize the changes that happen to our bodies as we get older. The slow loss of muscular mass is one of the largest. It's called sarcopenia by doctors. It normally starts off slowly in your 50s. But studies reveal that by the time you turn 70, you may have lost up to 25% of your muscle strength. Stop. Think about how much power you used to have, like 1 out of every 4 steps. 1 out of every 4 times you lift a supermarket bag, it's gone. It's no surprise that daily duties seem tougher and heavier than they used to. That's why lugging groceries, climbing stairs, or even getting up from a soft chair might suddenly feel slow, heavy, and tiring. But most individuals don't know that this muscle loss doesn't simply happen while you're awake. If your body doesn't have the appropriate nutrients to fix itself, it can speed up during night. Think of your body as a home. Every day, the walls, roof, and foundation get tiny cracks in them from normal wear and strain. Your repair crew comes when you go to bed. They fill in the cracks. They repair the leaks. They make the structure stronger for the future. But what if the team gets there and there is no wood, cement, or nails? The cracks stay open. The damage gets worse. And the house gets weaker over time. Your body acts in the same way. Your brain sorts through memories as you sleep. Every day, your cells fix damage. And your muscles strive to grow back. But this healing process slows down to a halt without the appropriate vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. You don't feel better when you wake up. Instead, you feel stiff, sore, and weaker than the day before. The good news is that this doesn't have to last forever. You can give your body what it needs to heal. And the best part is that your body already understands how. It just needs the correct fuel. I want to tell you a story. A man in his late 60s once said, "I sleep 7 or 8 hours, but I still wake up sore and tired." When we examined more closely, we saw that the problem wasn't his sleep. It was that his body didn't have the energy it needed to heal. His muscles were trying to heal, but they didn't have the right materials. After he fed his body the correct building blocks, his mornings started to feel different. Lighter, stronger, and more energized. What about you? Do your nights sometimes make you feel worse instead of better? Do you ever wake up feeling weaker, like sleep is taking more than it gives back? You're not the only one. Every morning, millions of older people feel the same way. And this is where a lot of people go wrong. Stay with me because in the following part, I'll explain why magnesium alone isn't enough and what your body actually needs to restore itself at night. Magnesium's limits. People in the wellness sector are talking a lot about magnesium. People use it to help them sleep, calm their nerves, and even keep their hearts healthy. And certainly, magnesium is important. It makes your muscles relax. It calms down your nervous system. It makes it easier for you to fall asleep. But here's the thing. Using simply magnesium is like trying to make bread with just flour and no yeast. You have part of the recipe, but not all of it. The bread never rises. The food never comes together. Hizinyu, or look at it from a different angle. It's like having a crew of builders ready to work but no bricks or timber to build with. The workers might come, but they won't fix anything. That's how magnesium works in your body. It might help you sleep, but it doesn't provide your muscles the nutrients they need to grow and get stronger. Your body can't conclude its repairs at night without the help of important vitamins and nutrients that protect it. You get some sleep, but your muscles stay weak, your energy stays low, and your mornings feel the same. Have you ever taken magnesium at night, slept well, and then woke up stiff and tired? If that sounds familiar, you're not the only one. Millions of older people go through the same thing every night. And stay with me, because in the following part, I'll tell you about the most important vitamins that work while you sleep to help you wake up stronger, sharper, and more energized. Vitamin D, the repairman. At night, people often call vitamin D the sunshine vitamin. But not many people know how vital it is for repairing muscles at night. Studies suggest that older people with insufficient vitamin D have weaker muscles and take longer to heal. They are also more likely to tumble. And even a slight fall might make you less independent, which is something no one wants to risk if they can help it. Pause. Why do it at night? Vitamin D works like a repairman for your body as you sleep. It tells your body to repair muscle fibers instead of letting them break down. That means that while you sleep, your muscles don't just relax, they get stronger. You are better able to move, balance, and stay steady on your feet by morning. For generations, people from different cultures have known this. In India, senior people commonly drank warm milk at night. Not simply to relax, but also because milk has both calcium and vitamin D. A lot of older people in Japan still eat fish like salmon or mackerel for dinner, which gives them a natural dosage of vitamin D at night. And in the West, it used to be normal for families to drink a glass of milk before bed. This was a peaceful way to get vitamin D and comfort. What do you think? Do you generally take vitamin D in the morning, at night, or not at all? Would you be willing to move it to evening if it meant waking up stronger and more energetic? And don't forget that vitamin D is just the start. Next, we'll talk about another nutrient that can speed up your body's restoration while you sleep. Vitamin B12. Get energy while you sleep. Vitamin B12 is another unsung hero. Seniors are more likely to be deficient. Why? Because our stomachs make less acid as we become older, it is harder for us to absorb B12 from food. If you don't get enough B12, you may feel tired. It can make you forget things. Some folks may feel a tingling in their hands and feet. And it takes longer to recover from exercise or regular activities. And for a lot of older people, these signals come on so slowly that they don't even know that B12 is the missing component. B12 does something interesting at night. It gives your nervous system energy, which helps impulses move easily between your brain and your muscles. Your body can't fix muscle fibers effectively without that connection. Imagine a crew working on a street at night. B12 is what powers their tools. The workers can't fix anything because there isn't any electricity. In Germany and the UK, it was typical to have meat or eggs for dinner, both of which are high in B12. Now, lighter dinners are more frequent. Families in North America also commonly concluded the day with robust meals like beef stew or scrambled eggs, which quietly gave them B12 before bed. What do you think? Do you ever feel tired, tingle, or forget things? Could a lack of B12 be the cause? Vitamin C, the builder of collagen. When people hear vitamin C, they usually think of becoming sick. But at night, vitamin C is one of the best things you can do to help your muscles recuperate. It helps your body create collagen, which is the protein that maintains your joints, muscles, and tendons flexible. Healing takes longer without collagen. Stiffness starts to set in. Think of a fishing net that has holes in it. The thread that fixes it is vitamin C. The net keeps falling apart if it doesn't have enough. A lot of older people in Spain and Italy eat oranges, kiwis, or other fresh fruit after supper. They might not know it, but they're giving their body vitamin C at the best moment, right before bed. And in the US and Canada, the simple habit of drinking a glass of orange juice at night had the same calming effect. What about you? Do you like to eat fruit at night, or do you normally stop eating earlier in the day? Vitamin E, the antioxidant for nighttime. Vitamin E protects your body as you sleep. When muscles heal, they let out free radicals, which are bad molecules. If you have too many of them, they can hurt your cells. Vitamin E stops these radicals from working, which keeps your tissues safe. Seniors who don't get enough vitamin E often wake up with aching, stiff, and swollen joints. Adding a handful of nuts, such almonds or sunflower seeds, to your diet at night might silently flood your body with this vitamin that protects you. And here's something that most folks don't know. Vitamin E can dissolve in fat. That implies it works best when you eat it with healthy fats. That's why nuts are so good for you. They have vitamin E and natural oils in one easy-to-carry container. How about you? Do you ever eat nuts as a snack at night? Or is this something you might start doing now that you know how good it is for you? The combination effect. Vitamins working together. Each of these vitamins performs something significant by itself. But when you take them together at night, they work even better. Vitamin D fixes things. B12 gives energy. Vitamin C helps. Vitamin E keeps you safe. They make up an orchestra that plays as you sleep at night. This is how you should think of it. Magnesium is what helps you sleep. But as you sleep, these vitamins are the hammer, nails, and wood that fix the house. The cracks stay open if you don't have them. The house gets stronger every night with them. And that's exactly what your body can do as well. Think about this. How would your daily life be different if your muscles got stronger every morning? Would you walk more with your grandkids? Garden without pain? Wake up without worrying about falling over? And the good news is that this isn't hard to do. All you need is the appropriate nutrients at the right moment. Practical tips. How to do it at home. So, how do you put this into action? The answer is easy. Mix things up a little during dinner or with your evening snack. Salmon grilled with lemon has both vitamin D and vitamin C. Eggs scrambled with spinach, which is high in B12 and antioxidants. For dessert, berries or kiwi are a good source of vitamin C. A small amount of almonds or walnuts with vitamin E and natural oils. You don't need a lot of medications in your cupboard. Always put food first. These modest choices you make in the evening silently provide your body the tools it needs to heal while you sleep. So let's put it all together. Magnesium may help you relax and fall asleep, but vitamins D, B12, C, and E are what repair your muscles, safeguard your memory, and give you more energy while you sleep. People in many cultures around the world have understood this for a long time. For example, in India, they drink warm milk. In Japan, they eat fish. And in Europe, they eat fruit after dinner. Now science backs it up, and the best part. You can start right away. Don't just think about sleep. Think about what you offer your body before bed if you want to wake up stronger, clearer, and more energized. That little change might make every morning for the rest of your life different. Please like, share, and subscribe if you thought this video was helpful. By signing up, you'll get weekly recommendations developed particularly for seniors that can help you live longer, healthier, and happier after the age of 60. And before you leave, please tell me in the comments which of these vitamins you will start taking at night first. D, B12, C, or E. I'd love to know what you think. Sleep well, keep strong, and remember that you're never too old to wake up stronger than you were yesterday.